Hey, this is me, currently removing the floor pan soundproofing on a Porsche 944. Okay, there's a couple of reasons people remove these soundproofing. For my personal reason is there's corrosion underneath the soundproofing, so I obviously need to get this off so I can assess the damage really. Okay, and in this video, admittedly, it is not the most entertaining video you'll ever watch, so I have turned the speed up ×2 shortly into the video. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, there are more reasons people take the soundproofing out other than just for corrosion. Some people take them out for weight saving techniques, so they accept the fact that the car's loud and they're happy to drive it with the extra noise once the soundproofing is taken off, because it does save some weight. For me, that's not the case. I'm only taking it off just to assess the damage underneath, and if there's any corrosion that's more than surface corrosion, that will be cut out and re-welded. And once the floor pan is back to what it should be, I'll be adding new sound deadening material on it. So just to discuss the hammer and chisel method, it's therapeutic in a way. The other method I'll use, I'll cut back in at that point once I've let you watch the video. But the hammer and chisel method, yeah, it's slow, it's fairly clean, and I'll show you why. But I didn't mind doing it, quite therapeutic. Took me about an hour maybe for one floor pan, so half a day's work to do a whole car probably. But yeah, it's enjoyable at times. We've got ×2 now, and I'll put back in when I'm on the next method of removal. So the next method I wanted to talk about was heating it up. Okay, and it works. It does work. It's faster in a way. The only sort of issues I've got whilst I'm heating it up is it leaves sort of residue behind on the surface still. So with chipping it off, it tends to get most of it off, but when you use the heating, it sort of melts a little bit, but you've still got a residue on the surface which will need cleaning off later on. But for all purposes I needed it for, it worked fairly quickly, and I removed more of it off faster, and I can assess the damage for corrosion. So yeah, sort of done the job. But yeah, I'll just let you watch on now. Also, one last thing is, do make sure you've got safety precautions there. Obviously here I've got a fire extinguisher just in case things can go on fire when you're obviously playing with a blowtorch. So I obviously do change back to using the hammer and the chisel. Once you've already heated it up and you start trying to use the hammer and the chisel, you'll find the tar is a little bit warm, so it's harder to chip off. But if you've watched the whole video, thank you very much. And as boring as the whole video could be at times, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like the content, please subscribe and I will bring more videos on restoration. Thanks for watching.